to try out some makeup that I recently got, mostly Korean makeup. So when I went to New York, I got to visit the Innisfree store that's there. I went to the one that's not in Union Square. I can't remember what area it's in. I'm really bad at directions, so. But I got this cushion case, and then you can get a cushion of your shade. I think this is my shade, but I guess we'll find out. So this is what the case looks like. I got this muted pink one, and then this is the actual product. Ta-da! I put it in. I'm gonna use the little puff that she recommended. So I was watching this video, and actually I was watching a few videos talking about picking out foundations, and I think I was watching Joan's video and someone was doing her makeup and they were saying how usually the makeup artists pick out a shade lighter than their skin on their face, and that's because later in the day the color starts to get darker, so they like to start out with something lighter, so then throughout the day the color kind of then matches their skin. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but that's kind of what I did today. But I feel like this is freakishly way too light, but in real life it looks like the same. I don't know if it's just my camera. Okay, well, we'll just see, I guess. So I got the Aquafit Cushion N21 Natural Beige. Oh wait, this has SPF 40. I picked that one because I wanted something that would feel really light on my skin. I don't really like foundations that are too thick, or I don't really like foundations that are full coverage because they tend to be too thick, and I really want some of my natural skin to show through because I still want my skin to look like skin. I just want to tweak it a little bit, you know? This isn't new, but I didn't get any new eyebrow products, but I wanted to keep the whole Korean makeup product theme going, so I have this Natural Auto Eyebrow, dark brown, EG Lips. I'm so nervous right now because I'm waiting until 4 o'clock because I'm trying to buy Blackpink concert tickets to LA. I'm supposed to be going to Coachella, but to be quite honest, the only people that I want to see at Coachella are Blackpink and possibly Ariana Grande. And even then, I'm not a die-hard fan of her. I do really enjoy her music. So if I get these tickets to Blackpink in LA, it's gonna be in April as well. I figured, should I just sell my Coachella tickets and go to the Blackpink concert? I guess I'll leave right here if I ended up getting the tickets or not. Either way, I will be seeing them, so I'm a little bit reluctant to buy the ticket because I heard it's really expensive. God, I freaking suck at doing my eyebrows. It's always this part that is such a struggle. All right, whatever, my eyebrows look weird. Okay, so this is new. This is the Hamish palette, and I got this. I have another version of this, but this was in, I think this palette is called Brick or something like that. But I really liked it because these colors are super just ooh. Sorry, I didn't take out the little plastic thing. And I was saying that these colors are really kind of everyday colors. I mean, you know that I love the warm tones, so nothing much to say about that. So I'm just gonna take this color right here and I'm just going to put that all over my lids. Got a notification to remember to buy my Blackpink tickets an hour early. And then I'm going to, let's see. Should I take this color or this color? I think I'm gonna go for this reddish color because I don't really do colors on my eyes too much anymore. Just gonna use my fingers. Okay, it doesn't do so hot with fingers. Let me use a brush. Okay, much better with the brush. Much, much better. Wow, I haven't used like a reddish eyeshadow in a long time. Kind of miss it. Looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna take this dark brown color right here and I'm gonna use that on my outer parts of my eye to smoke it just a tad. I just dot the dark color like this, and I gently blend it. And I say this in almost every video, but I don't blend past this when I push in like this. But I figure I'd say it again because this might be the first video of mine you're watching. You guys, I have very exciting news. I am almost done paying off my debt, my student debt. So I did get like scholarships and stuff in college, but I still had quite a bit of debt to pay. I was very fortunate because my parents helped me pay for my living during college, but unfortunately we couldn't afford schooling, and so I've been working on paying off my debt, and I am finally almost done. Wow, I really like the way this is turning out. Let's not mess this up. Okay, I'm gonna take that same red and this dark color, I'm gonna put it, sorry, this one, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna start with the red first and then go over it with the dark brown. But anyways, I just wanted to say that because I've honestly been working on that debt for what feels like forever, and I'm so freaking happy. It feels like such a burden to me, mostly because it kind of feels like because because I didn't enjoy college and I didn't study something, I regret not studying something I should have. It just feels like I'm paying for schooling that is almost useless. I didn't use my degree. I was a human bio major. I didn't use that degree at all when I moved out to SF. It was so discouraging because I was pretty confident. I was like, okay, I mean, I did really good in school and I have this super nice major that I graduated with, and so I thought I would easily get a job even if it wasn't completely related to my major, but I was very wrong. I think what you majored in does really matter. A lot of people were telling me that it doesn't, but from my experience, I got rejected from, I think I applied to like 20 jobs within like 3 months or something, and I got like 2 interviews. I'm using that dark brown color to kind of line my eye a little bit. I got, I think, 2 to 3 interviews, and when I'm talking about jobs, I'm talking about corporate jobs, because I was trying to find something that would basically let me survive here. I didn't want to rely on Jimmy, but that's what ended up happening anyway. I got rejected from everything, and then I just applied to the doggy daycare job because I was like, okay, well, I have to have some sort of income, and so I applied there and I worked there for a while and I was doing YouTube at the same time because I couldn't get a job. I didn't know what to do. And now I feel almost feels like I'm in shock. Like, I was paying some of my debt today and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm seriously, I'm almost done. And it feels so surreal to me. Just thought this day would never come, and yeah, so I'm really excited. By the way, I know a lot of you guys were concerned that my feelings were really hurt by it. But before I keep talking, I'm gonna take this liner. This is B-A, so it's B-B-I and then an A in English. But this is a liner in mellow brown. When I just do shadow right here, it doesn't stay throughout the day, so I like to use a pencil liner to kind of just touch it up and make that kind of shadowy line right there stay. Anyway, so what I was saying was, it made me smile so much how much you guys were saying, like, please don't let the assumptions get to you. And I really didn't let it affect me that much because when I was reading them, it was my second time reading them because I obviously went through it first to make sure I kind of knew what areas and topics I'd be comfortable talking about. A lot of you kind of understand where I'm coming from, and you just really understood what I was trying to explain in that video. It just made me so happy, and I just feel so much kind of warmth and understanding from you guys, and anyways, I just really appreciate it. I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter here, and I have this glitter thingy from Peri Para. Let's see how this goes, because I always put kind of glitter on the corner of my eye with eyeshadow, but then it never stays. So I got this. Wow. Okay. I don't want too much. I just want it on my inner corner, and I'm gonna let it dry. So it looks like this. It just looks kind of like a bottle of glitter with a doe foot applicator, but I'm just gonna let this dry. I'm gonna do mascara now, and I have this one. I'm not gonna curl my lashes because my lash lift is still in full effect, so I don't need to, but I have this Hamish mascara. This isn't new, I've had this. I just haven't used it in a while. I don't know why I didn't use this often. I actually don't know if I'm using this right though, because the brush is bent like this, and I don't know if I'm supposed to use it like this way, like a smiley face, or this way, like a sad face. I'm gonna use it like a sad face. It just seems a little bit easier, so maybe that's how you use it. I'm gonna use this. This is the Mary Do Manizer. This is from Depop. This isn't Korean, but I haven't used it yet, so it's new to me. And also, I don't think I own any Korean makeup products that are highlighters. So if you guys have a good one that you recommend, let me know. Okay, I've never tried this before, so this is kind of nice. I felt like maybe it'd be too sticky. No, so light. I look really, really shiny right here, and that's because when I started the video, I didn't start with a fresh face. I like walk dogs and stuff, so I started getting really oily here. I should have washed my face before. Oh well. Okay, now I'm gonna do blush, and I did use this in this brand of blush in my New York Get Ready With Me, but I have another one that I haven't used yet from EG Lips. This is the Apple blusher, and this one's in Sand Pink, number 8. I got 2 of them because I didn't know which one I'd like better. I like this one better. The other one was Caramel Pink, and I don't think it was pink enough for me. I really like this one. I think what I like about the blush is that I don't have to swirl too much, and the color is really the color shows up really well, and it's really easy to blend, because sometimes I get blushes and I'll blend like this, but then for some reason it only blends here. Last thing I'm gonna do is I have this is 3CE. This also is not new. This is 3CE Private. I think this is their Velvet lip tints. What kind of red is this? Whoa. It's kind of like this really rich red. All right, let's just try it. I haven't used these velvet lip colors in a long time, but from what I remember, they are very strong in color, which is why I put so little on. All right, guys, that's it. This is what the finished look is. I guess I went for a red lip makeup. I don't know what to call this. Maybe a brick red. Casual brick red lip makeup. This is one of the hardest parts, coming up with the name for the video when you're not really sure what it's gonna be. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I feel like whenever I do makeup videos, they always turn into Get Ready With Me. I just love using these makeup videos to kind of talk to you guys, because I don't know, I regularly talk and hang out with my friends, so this is kind of my way of doing it with you guys. But I hope you also liked the makeup products that I use. I'm gonna leave them all down below. If you guys like Korean makeup, I thought that this would be fun for you to watch. But that's gonna be it. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!